So we asked him if growing chili is easier than growing pepper, or whether they all take the same intensity in growing. No, growing chili is not as hard as growing pepper, as growing hot pepper. We asked him about water. Chili does not like heavy waters. Chili needs water when it's a hot weather. But when you grow this chili in a swampy land, when it rains, that water is too much. It will fill your pepper, and your pepper will start to become reddish or yellowish, and all the leaves will be shed, and then you will lose your pepper. Now, you see this pepper? You can see that it's a hot weather and it's being hit by the sun rays, but you will still harvest it and it will still be looking good. And I've sold it at a very good price. I've sold a kilo at 4,000, which is a good price.